What happens kapag hindi mo na talaga mabayaran yung credit card mo, no? So ako, actually, marami akong experience dyan, no? So lalo na nung mga pandemic times, no? Ako, I really had to cancel a lot of cards because hindi ko siya kayang i-maintain, hindi ko siya kayang suportahan kasi our business during the time was shut down and maraming hindi na nakapagbayad sa amin. So I wasn't able to pay it off the right way. Okay, so ano mangyayari? Kasi normally, talagang magpapile up yung interest, magpapile up yung charges, makakancel yung card mo, and hindi magiging okay yung credit history mo. But, the thing is, hindi naman katapusan yon. Okay, so definitely, the bank will reach out to you and ask, ano bang matutulong namin sa iyo? So, it's always important for you to communicate with your bank and tell them honestly, ano ba talaga yung situation mo. Kasi that's the only way for you and the bank to have some kind of arrangement na syempre okay din sa'yo, okay din sa kanila. Then definitely, eventually, maayos din yun, mauhulugan mo sila, and you can start off fresh.